Hello everyone, my name is Lord Ben Ariel, and today I make this video to wish everyone a happy new year 2018 and to ask questions about my wealth. With this video I like to know the name of my attorney. I hired one as a kid already and started working after that. That's very important. Otherwise people could say, well, you were a kid, why do you just work like that? When people ask you questions and so on, you answer. I made investments, but the important part is that I have been to the police station, talked to the police officers, and asked for an attorney who protects my rights in all my doings, because I wanted to invest and do business and do work which had turned very successful and brought in a lot of money. So it's now a few years ago I left my hometown. It was in Germany, so I talked to the police again. I asked for the name of the attorney to talk to him, to get access to my money, to know which bank I have to go to, which person I have to talk to get access to my money. At the moment I'm renting nice big room, it's en suite, it's in a shared house and stuff like that. It's of course temporary, not a long-term thing. I look for a nicer place like an apartment and so on, but in truth I invested in houses, so I should just be able to live in a house. I invested in businesses, so I should just be able to take a car which belong to the business as well. I made a lot of investments which turned out very successful as well. So I haven't seen any dividends so far, and I don't get any information about how to access the money. I was waiting a long time. The police in Germany, it's called the Polizei, told me they can't tell me the name of the attorney because it's too dangerous. Well, I assume they meant at that time, and they were talking about well, they have to protect the state, so the whole state. Wow, I mean yes. So I decided now to go and to go on and ask and demand my rights, of course, to know where the attorney is, to get access to my money, to my belongings, goods, whatsoever. Well, I invested in Nokia stocks and so on, so it turned out very successful. And before they went down, I demanded the sell of the stocks as well. So everything, when I resume back and think back on, it was very successful with all the up, and later on the Nokia stocks went down as well, so I profited of that as well. So whatever, I hear a lot of well, let's say talk behind my back, which I heard later on. The police asked me a few stuff about it. I explained, and everything was okay so far. Well, I'm a free man, I'm working in a normal job because I don't get access to my well, I would say I have a few quite money, so which would be actually giving me a very comfortable situation in life. So that's what I'm after, and everyone who can contribute and help with that is welcome to write here or contact me so that I can find out the name of the attorney. He was there by the police station, he got hired. He talked to me back and forth about the date, which passed as well. The money should be in a trust that was demanded by me. No one should get access to it. I wanted to start to get money from the age of 16 years. So that was actually what I put in place. But well, the times passed, and the times he talked back and forth, they passed as well. So there have been a lot of things, a lot of people came, I have seen them. Many people demanded just something, which I declined, of course. It was a lot of talk about that I have my money. Some said I will never get it. Some said they could help me to get it if I promise them a percentage. I declined everything, and I reported everything to the police in Germany, Polizei. So, well, it's not nice to talk in a new year about this stuff, but this is part of my life at the moment. When you worked and you have money, you should get access to it. Everyone will confirm that, I'm sure. It's my money, so I decide about it, and I should have access to it. So that's it, actually. And I will make more videos now, so I will not be silent. I will make more videos. I will ask questions. I said in my videos before, it's a while ago, I can tell you names as well, who I met, who I talked to, and so on. Often people try to use it against me. Well, I have been successful. I made a lot of work and different kind of works, which were important and in a big sense very well known now. So in that case, I talked, of course, to some people as well. I got the chance. I met them, I talked to them, and so on. There were different people, all kinds of, from let's say normal teachers to very famous politicians to very famous stars all over the world, Hollywood stars as well. So people try just to keep me quiet, silent, and it seems to be they don't want to let me know anything about my wealth. So the worst part is I will talk about it, I think, about another video as well. It seems to be well, behind my back they are trying to get me not in a real relationships, like only if they can maybe know the woman, the girl, they would allow it in cases they can control their something or whatsoever. So they tried a lot to, well, let's say, blackmail me with my own money, what I earned already. Well, that's something what I'm not into, of course. As I said, they confirmed I have money, and I could get access to it if I promise them to give them a good sum of it, or to give them money for it, and so on. But if you earn your money, if you work somewhere, you earn your money, you have to get it anyway, so you don't have to pay for it, right? So that's my point, and this has to come to an end. The attorney has to contact me. I demand that. So, well, I write every day on Twitter. You can look it up. It's at Lord Ben Ariel. I write every day, and I demand news stations to contact me, to make an interview. Polizei, Verfassungsschutz, MI6, whoever wants to come to talk to me to clarify the situation. I demand the attorney to contact me. I want my belongings. I want access to my belongings, to my goods, to my money. I want to know which bank I have to go and sort this out immediately. This is 2018 already. It is going far too long, all what happens, and that I don't get my own stuff. It belongs to me. I decide about it, and the attorney got hired from me through the police station with the help of the police officers because I was underage. I demanded an attorney to get my rights protected so people couldn't steal off me. But it's now many years it's going on. I have been very successful. There is quite good money there now. Yeah, and that seems to be the reason. That well, people wants to get it for themselves, and the right things doesn't happen. I mean, the right state, the state of Germany has to look into this and have to help to get me my belongings, my money, and so on. So, as I said, in the next videos I will tell you more about it, and especially what happened by the police stations. They happened different things. They tried to scare me not to go to the police, and many other things. So very interesting. It's everything is of course real, and it's a hard story about my life, and it's going on. So now it's a new chapter. It's I waited long enough now. Everyone had to contact me, but they didn't. So now I go public, and I will make these videos, and we'll see who comes up. Everyone can contact me or can reply to this. If you know something, come up and speak up. This is too important to be just silent. And in my next videos I will be gladly telling more, and I should start to tell everyone some names as well, I think so. So it will be very interesting. Look up for these videos. Thank you for watching, and have a happy new year. Bye bye.